Aloha Smart Fam. TSO is having a sale and I'm going to tell you all about it in just a minute. But first, I have some exciting news. The Polk Smart Cart 2. Now it's not new. Hundreds and hundreds of you already have the plans and you've already built one for yourself. But this one right here is kind of special. I have one under here that is the Polk Smart Cart, the original one, which was the first one to kind of update for these new casters to get started. And then this one here is the prototype that I built to develop the plans. But this one is the first one built from the plans. I filmed it and I am editing it and I'm getting close. I probably got 5-6 more hours of editing to do. And I'm not sure if it's going to be one video or multiple videos. It depends on how long it actually is when I'm done. So I may have to break it up just to put it in bite-sized pieces. But I'm pretty happy about it. I'm really happy with the finished result. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So look out for that video or video series coming to you very soon. It'll be helpful for many of you who will be building one of the Polk Smart plans for the first time. In the PSK2 video, I show you how to make the 4 patterns that make a beautiful finished product like this. It looks like it was cut on a CNC. One of the patterns that I show you how to make is this one right here. And I already had this one. In fact, it's over behind the camera there that I made when I made the first prototype, but I didn't have video of making that one, and I wanted to show you everything you needed to know to build the PSK2. To build this one, I used a technique that I've talked about before, which I call a pattern, or using a pattern to make a pattern. So you see all of this, how beautiful these holes are, all cut with the router. That's right, I was able to make the pattern with the router and make it absolutely perfect. And this one here really helps you double down because it's a mirror and works on this end and it works on that end. And then if you make 2 carts, you get 4 uses. This literally does not take very long, and you can see how beautiful that turns out. So you'll see that in the video. Also in that video, you'll see me use a lot of TSO. What you see right here, you'll see me use the guide rail square. You'll see me use the short parallel guides and the very long parallel guides. I didn't use the middle ones, interesting enough. Those are my go-to, and I use those 90% of the time. But in this case, it was the shorts and the longs that worked out to be what I needed. Most of the Smart Fam already have their TSO. But if you want to add to it, or if you're new to the channel and you don't have this stuff yet, then here's an opportunity for you. So there's a sale going on right now, Friday through Monday, and it is their Dog Days of Summer sale, and it's a good one. It is 10% off TSO. That's 10% off any of the blue. It is 15% off select bench dogs. I don't have any out, but I have tons of those, all different sizes. I've done videos on those before. The best bench dogs made, bar none. These guys make beautiful bench dogs that fit particular needs. In addition to the discount, if you spend $99 or more, you get free shipping to the mainland, the contiguous United States. I'll put my affiliate link in the description of this video down below. If you use it, TSO will pay us a little bit for what you buy, and of course that helps support the channel. Make sure you subscribe so you can keep your eye out for the PSK2 video. Mahalo.